Hey, boot camper, and hey, friend, welcome to part 7 of Mission Anger. You've learned a lot of powerful tools, noticing your anger, making space for it, speaking up, solving problems. But here's something really important. Even with all your new skills, anger will still come back. And that doesn't mean you messed up. It just means you're human. Feelings don't disappear forever, especially big ones like anger. Sometimes you'll still say or do something you didn't mean. Sometimes it'll pop up when you're tired, hungry, or just overwhelmed. So here's your reminder, friend. It's okay to feel anger again. It's okay to practice again. This is a journey, and every time you try, your brain gets stronger. So, what do we do when we mess up, yell, snap, or shut down? First, pause. Take a breath. Then say this to yourself: I'm still a good kid learning how to deal with big feelings. This is called self-compassion, and it helps your brain bounce back faster. Next, if someone else was affected, make it right. That might mean saying, I was feeling really angry. I'm sorry I yelled. I want to do better. That's called repair. And it's part of growing up strong and kind. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep practicing. The goal isn't never angry again. It's I know what to do when it happens. Now, let's look back for a second. You've learned to spot anger, to make space for it, to slow down and think, to speak up, and to solve problems. You've even learned how to be kind to yourself when it doesn't go as planned. That's emotional strength, not about feeling perfect, but choosing how to act no matter how you feel. So here's the final mission. Keep practicing. Keep noticing. Keep growing. And if anger visits again, say, hey there, anger. I see you. I've got tools. I've got values. I'll take it from here. Like and subscribe if this series has helped you. And drop a comment sharing what you've learned or want to learn next. You've got this, friend. We're proud of you.